Hey, this is my, well, not my fix, but fix the Xbox 360. This fix is really for you to get back on your Xbox quickly. So if you want to sell it, wipe your hard drive. This will not permanently fix it. This will make it last, I don't know, a week at max. Okay, so I'm not pumped. Don't make comments on it's crap or anything, but So it's got the old red ring. And I'll just switch it on. Just plug it in. Again, one red light. I'm getting the E74 errors up there. Now, what I'm going to show you is really quick and easy. As I said, it won't last long, but it can get you be able to get on your Xbox quickly, up your hard drive if you want to sell it. Switch that off. Unplug it, sorry. So I'll unplug it. Alright, I've already undone it. This I did have the washer fix. You may have X clamps on the back. And on the X clamps, it's easy. Just pop them off with a screwdriver and then unscrew it. Easy. What we want to do is get rid of this one, okay? Not that one. This one. You pop it off. Once you have the double compound paste, whatever you guys call it. Right? Now. So what you want to do is plug it back in. Alright. Okay. Right. Plug back in. What I'm going to do is turn it on. And immediately, whilst we come up with the odd red ring, red ring. What you'll do, I think it's got the 2 because it's saying it's overheating because the fan isn't plugged in and it's basically just the motherboard. And it hasn't got its other power, GPU, CPU, whatever. Basically I'm going to leave that there for not that long, a couple of minutes. So what I'm going to do is, if I pause this on my camera, it will, after about a minute, it will save the video and I won't be able to go back on. So what I'm going to do is just fast forward a bit on the old YouTube until I turn it off and do the next part. So just for now, just skip until it comes on to normal. Right, I think it should have had long enough. Right, yeah, this is the pretty hard bit, getting these washers on and screwing them back in. Basically, yeah, so if anybody has got any tips on how to put them in a lot better, please comment, because it takes me ages to do this, so bear with me. I might keep quickly pausing it, because my camera does have about a minute of pause, so I might pause it and then pop back on, pause it up again. So yeah, here we go. Right, let's turn it off. Yep, got one in so far. Yep, 2 in. There you go. Alright, there we go. Just want to screw them in a little bit tighter. Oh, thank you kindly. Right, thanks for being patient if you're still watching. Alright, plug it back in. HDMI. And yeah, just say this is an Xbox Elite. Yeah, that's why it's got the funny bit on there. Oh, and also I have got a video of taking this apart, but it's not that great because I did it one-handed, and yeah, so you might want to watch more of a professional one. But yeah, so no truth, it's all plugged in, powered up. There it goes. It's flashing because there's no deep disk drive, but yeah, green lights. There you go, I've got to turn off the mix, got my fan so it will overheat. There you go. There you go, all good. It's not fake, same Xbox, right there. Thank you for watching, and hope you rate, subscribe, but there you go. Thank you very much.